In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download VNC Viewer app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You will find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful shopping bag with a play symbol. Tapping this icon will take you to the vast world of applications available for your Android device. The Google Play Store is essential because it provides a safe and secure way to download apps. Once you have it open, you will see various categories and featured apps right in front of you, making it easy to find what you need. Next, we need to search for Real VNC Viewer Remote Desktop. At the top of the Play Store, there's a search bar. Click on it and type in Real VNC Viewer using the on-screen keyboard. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Finding the correct app is important because there may be several similar apps. When you see Real VNC Viewer Remote Desktop, tap on it to go to the app's page. Here you will see detailed information about the app, including its features and user reviews. Now it's time to tap Install. Look for the green Install button on the app's page. This button is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. By tapping Install, you are giving permission for the app to be downloaded and installed on your device. This step matters because it initiates the process that allows you to access the remote desktop features of VNC Viewer. Once you tap Install, you may see a progress bar indicating the download status. This feedback ensures you know the app is being downloaded. While you wait for the installation to finish, you can take a moment to explore the user reviews on the app page. Reading reviews can give you insights into how others have experienced the app. This can help reassure you that you are making a good choice. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice that the Install button changes to Open, signifying that the app is now ready for use. Now tap Open to launch the app. This action will take you directly to the VNC Viewer interface. Upon launching, you may be greeted with a welcome screen that provides an overview of the app's functionality. This is important because it helps you understand how to use the app effectively. You might also encounter prompts to set up your connection preferences, which is crucial for getting started with remote access. With that, you've successfully downloaded and opened the VNC Viewer app on your Android device. Congratulations! You are now ready to explore its features and connect to remote desktops. This simple process will enable you to manage your remote connections easily. Remember, understanding how to use VNC Viewer can significantly enhance your productivity, especially if you need to access computers from afar. Thank you for following along in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Enjoy using your new VNC Viewer app.